Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 552, and today I am going to discuss about the types of fruits and vegetables to keep your respiratory system healthy to fight COVID-19 disease. And nowadays it is very important, especially we are fasting, and during fasting time our respiratory system should be healthy, and in this way we will be free of viral and bacterial attack. When I say respiratory system means it includes trachea, that is where the air is passing and going to lung. The second is lung, and this is called respiratory system. And there are three indications of our weak respiratory system. First indication is very common, that is called coughing. So once we get cough, it indicates that our respiratory system is fighting, means defense mechanism is fighting with foreign pathogen, that is bacteria or virus, and during that fighting we get the cough. So for that condition, there are some fruits and vegetables if we are taking, that will be enough to prevent such type of cough. First food is, that is your onion, is super for that purpose. Second is ginger. Third one is garlic, and of course we are taking date and okra. So they are the combinations of fighting the cough. The second is called, that is bronchitis. Bronchitis means when there is inflammation to our trachea upper lining, and that inflammation means swelling, and it happens when the upper lining is irritated, maybe due to some viral attack, and people have reported that in the case of COVID-19 disease, first indication is that we will be having irritation in our trachea and respiratory tract. So that is inflammation in swelling. So for that again, onion and ginger plays very important role. Go on taking warm ginger tea, or original prepared by yourself without any contamination, because we cannot trust the manufactured industrial juice. They have lot of manipulation. Prepare yourself fresh juice, and then it needs vitamin C, that is citrus or lemon fruits, they are enough. Then third condition is, that is called asthma condition. Asthma condition means it is actually super sensitivity to either dust particles or pollen grain, and then in that condition our chest is congested, it is giving problem to take oxygen, and even our lung is these spongy cells, the response is not very good. So in that condition also, the first rank goes to onion. Don't take onion lightly. Onion is the super vegetable. Second goes to garlic and ginger. These are very important superfood for your respiratory system. And if you remember, in some last week I discussed the full phytochemistry, the chemical constituents of ginger. I will be discussing about onion also, the phytochemicals present in onion, because onion is very rich. It contains lot of mineral like potassium, calcium, iron, magnesium, and at the same time it is rich in flavonoid, that is your quercetin, and they are very good antioxidant because they will reduce your oxidative stress. Secondly, onion, garlic and ginger. They are very powerful anti-inflammatory vegetables. And now the latest news is coming about COVID-19 disease, that is coronavirus, new. That actually the problem comes is acute inflammation of lung and their overreaction of our immune system. That is responsible of damaging our tissue, and that tissue is damaged and it goes in the form of blood clotting. So immediately our heart gets problem and there will be heart failure. So actually it is, this COVID-19 is mainly chronic inflammation of your lung. So if you are keeping on good anti-inflammatory vegetable and fruit, that is going to protect that overreaction. So the best, very powerful anti-inflammatory fruit and vegetables are onion, ginger, garlic, and okra, and all the citrus fruit like lemon and oranges. So during this period, to maintain your respiratory system healthy and ready to fight any virus and bacteria, please keep on these very good anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, antibacterial, antiviral fruit and vegetables, what I have mentioned. And one more experience I want to share with you people, being the professor of medicinal chemistry, and that is very important. And if you go through my first lecture where I mentioned about the preventive measure of coronavirus, there I told you very clearly how to prevent, because at moment it is preventive measure. Every drug what we are taking is all experimentation. So no need to go for experimentation too much. Preventive measure is better than cure. Go on preventive measure. So first preventive measure is that the how to do sanitization of our inside nose, inside that throat, respiratory tract and lung portion. Is best method is inhaling of steam. That is called steaming. Just any kettle or any pot where you start boiling the water, and when steam is coming, you just cover your face and let you inhale the steam through your mouth, through your nose. It means inside your all respiratory system is 100% sanitized. No need of anything. First, that is steaming. At least twice a day. It depends upon if you are feeling little bit cough or sneezing or chest congestion, you do first steaming. And the second is, that is sanitization of our hand and body. We are fasting. It is holy month, and most of these sanitizers, they are alcohol based. Ethyl alcohol is there, and during fasting period we are rubbing all this alcohol on our body. Is not proper for all of us, those who are fasting, being Muslim. So best thing, the best sanitizer is your vegetable oil, and first is olive oil, zaitun ka tel. Just take olive oil and put in your inside your nose, 1-2 drop before you go for sleep is enough. And if you are going outside your house, just rub on your body where it is open, olive oil on your face. Immediately whatever virus is come in touch of olive oil will be decomposed, because this virus is even submicroscopic. Only electronic microscope can locate, and it's in gram. It is 1 into 10 to power minus 18 gram for 1 means it is trillionth of gram, So it is really, very, very complex, and 6 billion virus when we are inhaling, then they are invading our normal cells. 6 billions at a time we will take. So first is olive oil. If in case you are not getting olive oil, then go for coconut oil, नारियल का तेल, and put 1-2 drop inside your nose. So your inside nose, it has gone, it will take care of all virus, coronavirus, and the moment coronavirus come in touch, they will be decomposed. And before you go to anywhere outside your house, put in your hand. This is second thing. Third thing, at least once in a day, either in the morning or in the night before going to sleep, do gargle with salt, warm water. It's very important. So these three points are very, very important to keep your respiratory system very healthy. First, all these fruit and vegetable. Second, all these three habits. They are very, very important. So I have already told you, but I am giving you in writing so that you can copy down. The important tips are, number 1, go on sanitizing inside your nose, mouth, trachea and lung. Steaming, that is steam inhalation twice a day, that I have already told you. Number 2, gargling with warm salt water before going to sleep. Number 3, apply olive or coconut oil on your hand every time you go out of home. This is the best remedy, best natural sanitizer. Forget about alcoholic. Just go for olive oil or coconut oil. And when you are going outside, just rub on your face and on your hand which is exposed. That's all. Then respiratory system, the poor respiratory system indication. Number 1 indication, that is cough. Cough means most common symptom of respiratory disease, and coughing is the body's defense mechanism working to fight foreign substance. These fruit and vegetables help in cough, that is onion, ginger, garlic, lemon, orange, date and okra. Number 2, bronchitis. Bronchitis is the inflammation of lining of trachea caused by infection. Best anti-inflammatory foods are onion, garlic, ginger, lemon and orange. Asthma. It is accompanied by a wheezing cough, expectoration and pressure on chest. It is a type of allergy, supersensitivity to dust and pollen grain, and that is called allergic mechanism. And the best vegetable fruits are onion, carrot, orange, and these are the best food. And the asthma triggering food you have to avoid. There are some which will trigger your asthma. The first is fish, second prawn, third meat, beer and hot spices with chili. So during fasting period, go on praying, go on eating, go on sleeping and taking rest, and taking care of your respiratory system by adding these very, very important super fruit and vegetables. Thank you very much to all of you.